StrategyQuant just released the version 144 and it has several functionalities. One of them is volume profile, and this is one of my favorite indicators to create strategies in futures. This was not available in StrategyQuant native, and now the company has created these indicators and you can find them in the builder or inside Algo Wizard. For those ones who don't know what's the volume profile, in every tick there are several contracts. So this indicator works great for futures because futures data is centralized, not like Forex that each broker manages their own volume. So the information that we find in future contracts is centralized, and every broker that provides this service has the same data. It means that if you create a strategy with this indicator for futures, it will work for any broker that provides this service. There are volumes in every tick, right? The value area high is the highest level where the 70% of the volume is concentrated, and the value area low is the lowest level, and the POC, the point of control, is the point in this area that has the most amount of volume. You can create a breakout strategy of the point of control of the last week, or if you want a mean reversion, right? I have created a document where you have these kind of guidelines, so you can see the mean reversion. And there are three types of strategies: mean reversion, breakout strategy, trend following. It will be in a PDF version where you can see which building blocks works better for which type of strategy. I included the volume profile for mean reversion because you can wait for a mean reversion in that POC, or you can try, or in the value area high or value area low, or in the breakout. For this case, I'm gonna show you how it works for a breakout strategy. If you see, I have created in Algo Wizard the signal when the close of the previous bar crosses above the volume profile, the POC, it will go long and it will have a profit target of five times the ATR of 14 periods at the stop loss 2.5. So I'm looking for a ratio of 1 to 2 and a trailing stop of 1 ATR of 20 periods. So if you run this backtest, you will see that this strategy is profitable. You can see here the equity chart, and then you can change the conditions in editor. If you, for example, you delete this profit target and the stop loss and only works for trailing stop, you will find different results. Let's run this, run backtest. Yeah. So you see the data comes from 2009 to 2026. If you see the results, this is like that, but this has a problem because an operation can be open for many days, right? So if you see the trade analysis, list of trades, and then you order by time in trade, you can see that there are some strategies that has more than 1 year open. So this is not okay. We shouldn't have a trade that is open for so many years. So you can add another parameter, exit after bars, for example. If this is a strategy that works for H1, for 24 candles, bars is 1 day. Let's put 2 days, 48, run backtest. For sure is not as profitable as the other one and has the round downs. But the one who knows me and follow my free course, you know how to edit this with parameters, and also in my previous videos you can use this as a template and then put it in the builder and generate different strategies even with more filters. I'm gonna add more filters here. I'm gonna modify this as random values to find better strategies in the builder and then retest and optimize. So for those one who wants this Microsoft Word with the details, please click on the link I'm gonna share. And if you find this video useful, please give a comment or subscribe. And don't forget, if you want to have the PDF, just click on the link. Thank you for watching.